Yo, 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 I am Cassie and this is Dose of DIY. This is where I'm going to give you all the details for all my DIY projects, and I'm going to be very straightforward with you because this is like a no bullshit zone. Like, check out the sign. I'm not going to feed you anything that I wouldn't want to use myself. I'm not going to try to sell you anything that I wouldn't use myself. Everything that I'm going to recommend I already own. I'm not good at winking. Moving on. Did you subscribe to my channel yet? Like, just wondering. Yeah, I see those of you. FYI, I'll forgive you as soon as you subscribe, and for all those that are subscribed, you're my OGs and I love you. You guys have been there with me even when my videos have been awful, like awful. So I have a very special place for you guys in my heart. Alright, so let's get started on how I took these office like built-in shelves slash drawers and I turned it into something a lot cooler. So I was in my office when I first moved in and I was like, do I want these to remind me of vomit? No. Do I want to spend a lot of money replacing these? No. Do I already own things that I could use to make them more aesthetically pleasing? Yes. Ding, 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 that's the winner. That's the route we're gonna go. I'm gonna walk you through this easy update, and it is all through paint. So you can get this new look completely by paint. Use will be linked in the description, so check that out. Or like, check out my blog at Dose of DIY this with me. Step one, take that down. So I'll let you in on a little secret. When I was taking down the drawers, I put on like a post-it note on the back. It was like, okay, this is like number 1, 2, 3 on the left or right side, so that when I was putting it back, I was a little less likely to mess up later. And that's it. So step 2 is to sand and paint the things that you just took down, so like the drawers and the shelves. So I took down the drawers and I started sanding it, and I got bored real quick. Like, no. So I found that you can use something called a deglosser. Like, it does the same thing that sanding would. So it makes the surface rough so that whatever you're putting on will then stick, like the primer and the new paint. And it is a lot quicker than having to completely sand down all these pieces. So I used a deglosser, link below. Then I put some primer on. For the drawers, I did 1 coat, and then I would sand if it needed it before I did the 2nd coat. Duh. Wait, but why? So sometimes between the coats, you see like little bumps like the size of pimples. Ugh. And when I get pimples, I pop that shit. Yes, I know that you're not supposed to pop your pimples, but I can't help myself. So just like my pimples, that just gotta go. That's why we sand it in between the coats. Luckily, this is easy. It's not like the other extensive sanding. So you just like feel it, and where you feel the bumps, like just sand it down a little bit. It's really quick. Also, like a glosser wouldn't work for this. You're sanding. Get over it. So for the shelves, I am obsessed with the natural look, so I wanted to make them look like wood. And the wood look is like all trendy and whatever right now. So I use this liquid wood. Wait, what? Did I just say liquid wood? Yeah, that's right. You can get this look with just paint. So check out my video where I updated my pantry door. I'm gonna link it in one of these. It would take more effort than I'm willing to put in to figure out which corner it would be. So you're gonna see this looking thing up in one of these corners. Click it if you want to see how I got this wood effect, and you can just keep doing that over and over again until you get the effect that you like, and then you put that stain that comes with it over. I personally use the barnwood stain. I use it on everything, like my recent update to my kitchen table, and like my pantry door, and like these little plates in my entryway. So I absolutely love the look of the barnwood. So when you think of barnwood, you think of gray. That's not really what this is, so it's all good. It's like a perfect natural color. I'll actually be replacing that with a cool wood look later, so stay tuned. Yeah, I'm watching you. So once you finally get a look that you're happy with, then put 2 coats of the clear coat on top. Then behind where the shelves were on that wall, I put a cool like dark gray black color, and it's called cracked pepper, and the link's below. Instead of that really ugly boring white. Step 3. All right, so now it's time to put that shit back up. If you listen to me and you put the post-it notes, that's gonna make this part a lot easier. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go back to the beginning, whichever way it is, and watch it. All right, step 4, decor. And no, I did not make that rhyme on purpose. I got lucky. But this is the fun part. So these are some of my favorite decor items that I've gotten. Like, if I could hug them all, I would. Like, don't worry, I got you, because the links to all these is in the description. But that is the whole project. So recap, you are going to take everything down and then sand it or degloss it, and then put 2 coats of the paint that you want, or like the wood look effect, and then sand in between if you need it. And then put a top coat once you get the color that you like, and put it back up. You can paint the back wall if you would like. Once you put it back, you get to decide what kind of decor you like, and you can check out all the like products that I recommended, but you can put whatever you want on it. That's about it. So you know the drill. Like this video, subscribe. It should be in one of these corners. So just like subscribe, like just do it. Just do it. And check out my other videos. And to be fair, just like give me a break, because like, again, I'm a pharmacist, so trying to learn how to like 1, film things, and then 2, figuring out how to edit videos is actually really hard. So like those They're not great. They're really not great. But I'm getting better. I'm Googling it. I'm on it. So things will only get better from here. I promise. Just stick with me. All right. I love you.